Môre julle. Kyk hier, dit is so lekker buite. Eet 'n bietjie brood. Onthou, elke dag is 'n mooi dag. God gaan na ons kyk. Asseblief, hê die beste dag en lewe die beste lewe in jou hele wêreld. Luister na God. God sal jou na die regte pad te vat. Baie dankie vir my te luister. Ek is lief vir julle. 'n Lekker dag. Bye. And guys, so I did one enough records, just probably gonna be afterwards. So look, that was meant for my family. But you guys, bro, have the best day. You should. You should honestly have the best day. Remember, you love yourself, everybody's gonna love you, bro. Just ignore that. Just have the best day ever, honestly. Look at that beautiful sunrise. And it's just beautiful. Kinda like our friendships, right? It's kinda like that. It's beautiful. So please, have the best day of your lives and live the best lives. Okay, bye.